how to turn any website into an app on macOS. If you want to turn any website into a Mac or an app on macOS, we can do this, but I'm using Safari browser as a reference. So this might not work for Google Chrome and other browsers because they have different processes. So here, let's say I'm on the Safari browser and then I simply go to youtube.com or any website, right? Any website that you want to maybe create an app for. Once you've selected that, go to the top left on the menu bar and select File. Once you select File, you'll find an option called Add to Dock. Just click on Add to Dock, and here you can see Add to Dock button. Click on the Add button, and that will be added next time as a shortcut, and it will essentially most likely act as a application as well. And if you want, you can right click to go ahead and then delete this completely. That's all for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.